All right, so we're looking at the last example here for 4-1 in algebra. A student averaged 45 miles per hour on a trip. What was the student's speed in feet per second? Okay, so starting off, I have 45 miles per 1 hour. I need to get that to be equal to how many feet per 1 second. So in order to figure this out, I need some information that I don't have here and that I don't have memorized. So keep in mind, if you ever do take this Regents exam in June, you are given a reference sheet that has a bunch of information on it. That reference sheet you can very easily find by going to Google and typing in reference sheet. Mine, I have a nice copy of that in my Google Drive that I'm going to find and pull up right here. Here we go. So looking at my reference sheet, you can see that they give me a bunch of these conversions here up top, which is going to definitely help me out with my feet to miles, because that I don't know. So 1 mile is equal to 5,280 feet. So I'm going to write that down. So I know at the top of, I know off to the side that 1 mile equals 5,000, I forgot already, 5,280. Oops. 5,280. Okay. Feet. Be specific. Always specific and label stuff with these. Okay, so I want to start off, I need to take what I have in miles, and I need to change miles to be feet. So if 1 mile has 5,280 feet, that means 45 miles is going to have a lot more feet than that 5,280. I'm going to use multiplication to figure that out. 1 mile equals 5,280, so 45 miles is going to be whatever 45 times that 200 or 5,280 is. So 45 miles times the number of feet in each mile gives me 237,600. No, my commas are in the wrong spot. 237,600. So 237,600 labels again, because we don't want to forget what that is, and that would be feet in 45 miles. So we have that now that can go on the top of our fraction. 237,600, and that I'm going to label with feet. Now, on the bottom, we need to take hours and we need to turn that into seconds. Well, I know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, but that still doesn't get me seconds. How many seconds are in a minute? Well, I know that 1 second has 60. Nope, just kidding. I said that backwards. 1 minute has 60 seconds in it. So if I have 60 minutes and each of those minutes has 60 seconds in it, I can find the number of seconds in a minute by doing 60 times 60 to get me 3,600, which makes sense, seconds per minute. Which means that I can put 3,600 seconds on the bottom of my fraction. And so now I can actually go ahead and simplify this, and I'm just going to kind of move this piece over. I'm going to simplify this now to get how many feet in 1 second. And I'm just going to do the division right in my calculator. 237,600 divide by 3600. And that turns out to be a nice normal number. So I have 66 feet per 1 second. Swoop, swoop, swoop. So you really just got to go through these slowly and make sure you look up any information you don't know and write everything down with labels. That's going to be my my little advice to you. Label everything. Okay, and that's it. That's all.